Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stabilize videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, you have to select one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon. And now you have to select from your gallery that video or photo that you would like to edit, or videos, photos. And after you open one of your projects, then you have to click on the edit option, which is on the bottom of the screen, first option. Scroll to the right until you see this stabilize option. Obviously this is a photo, so this option is for videos. I have to select a video, and now scroll to the right again, and there is the stabilize option, which is now alive. So I have to click on it, and now you can see that you have some options. I'm in this bar here. You can set it up exactly how you want it, so like the minimal cropping or recommended, and the most stable option. And when you are done, then click on the check mark on the bottom of the screen, and now you can see that the video is stabilized. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.